Hey, what's up everybody? I just wanted to show you guys, in case of emergency and you go virtual this year, how to use Microsoft Teams using two desktop computers. So right now what I have is I have both of my computers logged into my Microsoft Teams. I'm going to log into the one that I want to use primarily first. So I'm going to click on that one and I'm going to click on my class. It's spelling time right now, so I'm going to do that. And I'm going to say meet now. I probably have kids waiting for me. I'm 1 minute late, don't tell. Okay, so anyways, once you get here, you can actually go ahead and click on the three dots at the top, manage permissions, and then when that comes on, you can go ahead and just say let everybody into your class. There we go. Right now it's set on only me, but I'm going to say everyone can bypass the lobby. That way I'm not worrying about leaving anybody out. I'm going to click back over here, and look, I have 5 people waiting. I'm going to admit them. I'm going to go to my other computer now and click on Teams.
Hey, Mr. Coleman.
Oh, I'm going to also mute my class. Watch this. If you use the 3 dots, you can do not allow attendees to unmute. It's the best secret out there. Alright, so now I muted my microphone. They can't hear me. They can see me, but I can't hear them. I'm going to go to my other computer. I'm going to click on the same channel, okay? I'm in my Teams. I'm going to click on spelling. And now it says join. I'm going to click join. Now when you do that, you got to make sure that your camera's off and your microphone's off so that you don't have any feedback. And when I click join, now you can see my class. Once I share my screen, I'm going to click the open shares. Click on the screen and click on my visualizer app, and that's going to show my dock camera. Alright, and you can see right here, you can see my papers that I have on my desk on both screens. Now, here's where the magic happens. So this is going to be my primary thing that helps me know what I'm wanting the kids to see. But over here on this screen, if you click at the bottom, now I can see my whole class. I can see what I'm doing, and bam, I'm ready for virtual teaching. Hope that helps out. Anyways, I'm going to unmute myself so that my class is not so confused about what's going on. So you can always click on here. And I'm going to allow them to unmute. Good morning, boys and girls. Can you hear me? Touch your nose if you can hear me. Good deal. All right, we'll see y'all later. Bye.